In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make transparent shape in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First is we need to open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on it under the best match to open the Microsoft Word. Click on the blank document. Then here we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find all these tabs. Now simply click on the Insert tab and here you'll find Shapes. Click on the drop down and here we just need to simply look for a shape. Okay, for example, we have this oval. Then you will see this plus sign symbol. Just simply drag this to draw the oval depending on your preference, your size, and your style. Okay. Then once you have added a shape or inserted a shape, click on that and you will find the shape format tab. If you're not going to click on the shape format tab will not appear at the top. So click on that and here you'll find shape styles. Click on the drop down and here you'll find presets. And here you have here transparent block dark, transparent dark teal, accent one. So there are a lot of choices from here or styles that you can choose from. Now let's just go with this first one, transparent black dark one. And as you can see, it's really transparent, okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.